and you're gonna wanna offer this to them. And again, you have it right within your dashboard. Resell it, you can literally come in here, name your price. So we could say we're gonna charge $550. So what you wanna do is you wanna actually go up to this. What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the fastest way to make $1,000 a day using GoHighLevel. Now, you can do this from anywhere in the world, starting from complete scratch, even as a beginner. And if you like this style of video, comment yes below so that I know to keep making more of them. Also, I'm going to be moving pretty fast in this tutorial. If you'd like some more in-depth strategies, templates, done for you things, I'm going to leave a link below to a more in-depth training that you can go access for 100% free after this video is over. So go check that out below this video, first link in the description. All right, so my goal for you is to be able to take what I'm showing you and apply it and be able to get to $1,000 per day as fast as possible with the GoHighLevel platform. And if you're not familiar with this platform, you will be after watching this video, and I highly recommend you check out the link in the description as well to become even more familiar with it, because it is an absolute game changer. So we're going to be using a couple different tabs inside the software. Particularly on the left here, we're going to be navigating to the prospecting tab, and that's where we're going to start. So built into the software, you're able to go and start to prospect, and we're going to be actually offering two services that we're going to be able to identify prospects for the service that are each worth $500 per month. Of course, you can adjust these as you see fit, but $500 a month, from my experience, is going to be the best price point to get conversions and easily convince someone that they need this. I'm all about working smarter, not harder. So just keep your price points at a good price point that is going to be easy to convert. So what you want to do is you want to actually go up to this Add a Prospect tab under the prospecting section of the software, and you want to decide on a niche and a location to target. Now this is completely up to you. It doesn't really matter. I really like the skilled trade niches, but you could go after restaurants, mom pop type shops, anything like that is fine. Dentists, chiropractors, anything like that is totally fine. But it really just comes down to a business that is providing a service to the client, which is most businesses. You'll be good to go. So for example, I might come in here and we'll just use that chiropractor example. Type in chiropractor, Rockford, Illinois. Okay, now what's going to happen is the software is going to search, and it's going to identify a lot of different things. But what it's going to do is it's going to run a report for you on all these different aspects, and I'll explain what they are. But from an overview standpoint on this chart, you're going to be able to see if the Google Business Profile is claimed, which is super helpful. We may talk about that more in another video. We've talked about that before on this channel, but that is a really good prospecting strategy as well. And if you want to hear more about that prospecting strategy, just go down and comment like GBP so that I know to cover that in a future video. The other thing you can see from this overview is the WordPress, if it's been built out on a WordPress site, and also conversion rate as well. It'll basically score the likelihood of if a prospect is going to become a client, which is helpful to know as well. So anyways, we can go through and we can check out all of these different metrics here for all the different businesses that show up. We could specifically target businesses that have poor ratings or poor reviews. And you can see it's starting to now get the results for the GBP profile, if it's been claimed or not. So once you've identified one that you think you may want to work with, you could click this button here, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to run a report. Now, if this is a brand new business that you're working with and you don't have anyone who's a point of contact there, which you likely don't, you can just leave this turned off and click Save Prospect. Now, at the sake of wasting a bunch of time waiting for the report to load, I went ahead and I made a report ahead of time, generated one, just to kind of walk you through it and show you what we're going to be doing to convince this client to work with us. So again, this report is really nice. We can actually export it as a PDF if we want, or we can click this share button link and share this link by email or by text or however we want to share it with the client, which I highly recommend that you do. But anyways, this is going to do an audit of the business. And in fact, you could even charge for these audits as well. But I really like to use audits like these as a foot in the door strategy to set yourself apart from everyone else out there. But you can charge for audits too. I normally like to charge for audits that are more technical. So we've identified two things, and these are kind of the two things that I look for to get to $1,000 a day relatively quickly, because if we can identify businesses that have this opportunity, which is number one, no chat widget on their website. So a chat widget is something that would show up down here, and when they click it, it'll open up a little chat widget where they can ask questions. this really boosts conversions. And the cool part about GoHighLevel is that they have it built in with AI so that it'll actually book appointments and handle frequently asked questions and things like that automatically with AI, which is a really, really powerful service, because just that alone, you can honestly charge at least $500 a month for, and that's actually what I'm going to recommend that you do. But we're using these prospecting reports to point things like that out. And the second thing that we're looking for is the review reply section, because GoHighLevel also offers review management built inside of the software that they allow you to resell, which is perfect. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to reach out to the business owner that you find that are missing these two things. So you're going to want to run prospecting reports and identify businesses that are missing this chat widget, and then identify businesses that are missing the review replies. And you're going to want to offer this to them. And again, you have it right within your dashboard. To resell it, you can literally come in here, name your price. So we could say we're going to charge $550. You make $500 profit. Boom, that's it. It's that easy to set up. They give you a little copy and paste code to paste onto their website. The other cool part is sometimes you identify businesses in here that don't have a website, and you can actually get paid to build them out a full-blown website. And for something like this, you could charge $3,000, even $5,000 for upfront, make a bunch of upfront money on something that you weren't really even expecting, just because you went and started implementing the strategy. So you're looking at potentially getting an upfront payment of $3,000 to $5,000, and then a monthly residual payment of $1,000 a month from this one client for the chat widget and then the review replies. That is a strategy, and I don't really want to go too much further on this because we should probably save that for a different video if you're interested. But there are a lot of other things that are going on here. For example, we can see some SEO analysis to see where they rank on different parts of town. So we can see they rank really well over here, number one in these parts of town. But then as we start to go further out over here around this right side, they don't rank as well. So this is something that we could potentially use as another opportunity to make more money, or another prospecting strategy. We also see their listings, the review summary. So all this stuff is really good to know. They have no reviews on Facebook. That might be something that we could help out with. We can see some of their negative reviews, which again, this is a strategy we're going to implement, that we're going to try to hook them on, which is why they're a perfect fit for this, because we can implement this review reply strategy here, right here. Okay, they have all these negative reviews that haven't been replied to, and there's an opportunity there to make it actually seem like they care about their customer base, which I'm sure that they do. Also shows their online listings and citations, which, if you don't know, is a huge factor in actually ranking the Google Business Profile. So anyways, and also the website performance too, which it couldn't even reach it to actually run the report, whether it's mobile friendly and stuff. But all that stuff is there, which is very, very helpful if you want to go out there and start landing clients with this. So to recap, what you're going to do here is you're going to run a prospecting report. Okay, like we did here on the prospecting tab. We're going to run a full report on one of these businesses after you select a niche and a location. You're going to take that report. When you find someone that has no chat widget, no review replies, you're going to reach out to that business owner. You're going to share the report with them, and you're going to offer to set that up for them. You're going to set it up for them in your GoHighLevel account. You're going to price it out. Again, they let you resell this, so you don't have to do any of the work. You're going to do the review for $500. You're going to do the conversational AI for $500. Again, this is as simple as copy and pasting a code on the website, and it puts a little widget down at the bottom of the website. And just like that, you make $1,000 a month for that one single client, and you're just going to repeat this every single day. Now, again, there is a lot that you can do with this. If you're wondering how to actually reach out to clients, if you'd like some done for you stuff, if you'd like more help implementing this, then you definitely want to check out the free stuff that I have available for you in the description of this video to get access to that and learn more, because I mean, I really can't cover all of this stuff in just a 10-minute video. So if you want more help, then definitely go check that out if it resonates with you. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, leave a comment. Let me know any of your questions, because I'm going to be making more content like this in the future. And until next time, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.